There's been so many comments from you guys about our stairs. All you guys are right. All the walls are up there, so the stairs are our way to get up there from now on. Good morning and welcome back up to our homestead up here in southern Utah. If you watched our last video, we got some of the OSB done all the way to top. We're gonna continue with that in this video. But before we get started on that, we have some chores to do. And our first chore of the day is we got a new flag to put on our flagpole, so we're gonna put that up first. I have a special guest. If you've been watching our channel for a little while, you know who this is. This is my middle daughter, Allie. I call her Allie Boo since she was a little kid. I don't know if she likes it anymore or not. Anyway, she's gonna help me put this flag up. She's here for the summer. I'm teaching her how to do it right now. So we're gonna put this up and start flying Old Glory again, since we haven't had one in a few days. Dun 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 dun. Get it up there, girl. Go, go, go. Keep going. All right, keep going there. You're good. All right, wrap it on those little thingies. Just whatever works. Boom. You guys, Anker is a sponsor of today's video, and they sent us the Anker SOLIX F1200 portable power station. Today, when we're doing all of our chores, we're gonna put it to the test and see how well it does in our environment. Since we are off-grid, we need power in places that we can't get it, so we're gonna bring this along with us, see exactly how much battery it takes to run everything and how much we have at the end of the day. We're in the laundry room. The first test that we're gonna put the Anker SOLIX F1200 is going to be our dryer. If you guys have been watching us for any amount of time, you know that for some reason our dryer does not work on the solar. We have to use a gas generator usually. We're gonna plug this gas dryer up into our Anker SOLIX F1200 and see how it works. I'm excited to see because it's a lot quieter option than a gas generator. This Anker is equipped with the Life PO4 EV grade battery. You can charge it around 3,000 cycles, which is about 10 years worth of use. Just got doing one load of drying. The Anker did a good job. It used 25% of the battery. It was running like 500 watts throughout the entire 40 minutes, so it did pretty good. So now we're going to go over to the apartment build and we're gonna start using it to cut out some wood, see how it works using the chop saw. At the apartment right now. There's been so many comments from you guys about our stairs and how they're unsafe and the cleats were cut against the grain. And I didn't even think about it at the time. All you guys are right. So no matter how bad I don't want to take this apart and redo it, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Instead of cutting a 2x10 with the grain, I'm just gonna use a 2x4 to make it 1,000 times easier. I was doing the smaller ones so that I wouldn't see them through everything. If I see them a little bit, it is what it is, because it's gonna be way faster and way easier to do just using the 2x4 and cutting them out and putting them on there. That way, it's not gonna split and everything. We got some deck screws that we're going to be using. Instead of hammering the nails, it'll probably be a little stronger that way, and we're going to glue them in as well like before, and that will hold everything in nice and tight. This is our only way to go up and down right now besides a huge ladder, which we don't want to use. All the walls are up there, so the stairs are our way to get up there from now on. We need them to be safe with these little precious cargoes going up, huh? Right?
My first cargo?
Yeah, heck yeah. So we're gonna do one at a time, take it off, take the cleats off and redo it, and then just go up. We still have access to them if we need them. We're gonna start cutting 2x4s right now, and then start taking it apart and getting all this done.
Sitting here watching Daddy work. I feel like he's always just wanting to do it himself. He doesn't want the amateurs to help.
I'm an amateur. Allie's not empty. She's just walking for most support.
Oh my goodness.
You do look good with those bangs though.
Banging!
Go. Hit it hard. That's all you got? Come on. Come on, girl, let's go.
Baba. I really like that 2x4 on the front. Toe kick.
Yeah. Looks good.
I agree.
Yeah.
You're almost halfway done doing it the second time. Is that encouraging?
Yeah, totally.
You got this.
Have I ever told you how much I love doing things twice?
No, you hate it more than anything.
I do. I freaking hate it. Probably like most people do.
Get that chisel, baby. Get that chisel on. I'll definitely be charging up all of our electronics today. We live in a trailer and we don't have a lot of outlets or USB ports, so this Anker battery is really coming in handy right now. We've got all these plugs, we've got USBs, we've got a car socket. Well, guys, we've done a load of vlogs, we've been running the saw, we've got Allie's phone charging on it, and we've got the DeWalt battery pack charging on it. It's doing well. We're sitting at 66% today.
Can you go down here and get me these pieces of wood? I just got done doing the first flight, redoing them, and I went ahead and put the 2x4 that I was going to put on the front as well, and it like strengthened everything up really good. So now I feel like super safe driving up these. Super safe driving them. No, I'm just kidding. I feel safer walking up them, and they're definitely a lot more sturdy. And now on to the second flight. Let's get to work.
All right, while Nick's finishing up the second part of the staircase, I'm gonna go ahead and start some dinner. I'm gonna use the Anker and the smoker together, smoke some chicken thighs. I was like, this is not even working. Welcome my baby back here. I love the way the sunset dances in your hair.
What?
You're like sitting in the sunset right now.
Am I glowing?
You're glowing. I'm taking in your ambiance.
I can't wait to get past this step so I'm not sitting in the sun anymore, I'll tell you that. Right on my neck right now. I don't know. Done every single step except for this last one, which was I never put in. So I am gonna finish that one up right now, and then we will have a full functioning set of stairs to go up and down, and they're like solid. I'm 14 feet in the air right now. Anyway, the sun's going down. We're gonna knock this last one out real fast, and then that'll probably be it for today. Let's finish this thing.
Is that the final step? Other than the toe kick?
I don't think it's called a toe kick. Toe kick's what goes on the bottom of a cabinet.
Well, I used to be a cabinet maker, so...
I don't remember what it's called. I don't know the stair lingo.
I don't know stair lingo either.
But it's the front fascia board of the of the stair. And it like braces it pretty good. I gotta cut one more and I'll be right back. And then we can run up and down these things.
Yeah! But try not to hit your head.
I still have to take those out.
Oh, Daddy, perfect timing, because guess what is ready?
Food, I hope.
Yep, Allie just called up and said the thermometer is at 165 on your chicken thighs.
That's good. That's good to go.
Allie Boo, how's our chicken? Oh, that looks delicious. Heavy one or what? Mind your way? Two more to go. And it all comes tumbling down.
We gotta put that brace up there for sure. Took out those 3 deck joists, and the reason why is we didn't have enough headspace. As soon as you started walking, you were hitting your head. Now,
This is
you're good.
up, nails up.
Nails up, got it, and I'll put that back in. We're good, we don't have to duck or nothing. I was afraid to take them off because I didn't want it to be like, there's only a couple of these things holding this whole thing together. But I feel like now we have a lot more stuff going on. This brace that just fell off, I'm definitely gonna put back on because I think it was helping.
You like?
This is nice.
These boots are made for walking. That's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over. What do you guys think of the stairs? Yay! Way better. Headroom now? We can get up and down? I think we should go have a dance party to celebrate.
Yeah.
Dance party?
Yeah!
Woo! Let's go!
All right, well, it's been a full day of chores and working on the house, and we've used Anker SOLIX F1200 portable power station the entire time, and right now it's only still at 52%. We've been doing laundry, using power tools, charging batteries for our toys, listening to music. This thing comes with a 5-year warranty, which is about 10 years worth of use. Anker has rapid recharge technology that will charge this from 0 to 80% in an hour. Use my code ANKERSOLIX6 to enjoy an exclusive 30% off the 25% page discount on on Amazon only for Anker SOLIX products. Play the game and get to enjoy it sooner with an early purchase. Well, it's been a productive day of getting things done around the homestead and working on the apartment. We wanted to thank Anker SOLIX F1200 portable power station for sponsoring this video. Please click the link in our description if you're interested in.
Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And we'll see you guys in a few days.
We're gonna go eat food and have a dance party.
Woo!